Hello everyone, happy to share like also. So this is the preparation also. The continuation like that. Ito bisido cooking. We use a Bisaya word for this.
Angel! Eka!
Tapos sila ang barangay mahawak. Barangay Poblacion, Barangay Kapatatan, Norte, Panugnawan. There we go. Barangay, the color white, who wear color white t-shirt is President Barangay Antipolo, and I'm wearing green. We put a lot of it for the kids. There we are. Just do time lapse. So it's like preparing. I'm not the one who take a video of this one. One of my co-PIA president time lapse for everything what we did. See packing foods. See, oh my goodness, helping each other so that it will be done so easy. Nice. Helping each other as a one family, like brother and sister. Almost done, everyone. Here we go, here we are. Just like 150 food bags. I need to eat the chicken. The chicken is not yet cooked. The other batch of chicken. Here we are. We're almost done. See of it. I just like talking. And the other side, talking like, oh no, I just let it
feeding program para sa inyo mga bata, para i-share natin kamo ang mga blessings sa bata, response. Yes, undang ko din ito. Sa mga mga pet. Thank you so much.
What to do?
There we go. There's a person that just like eating one of the plants and he was he's so thirsty. He didn't bring it. He forgot.
Put on camera, yawan.
Helping each other again. Yes, everything to the other. You are listening to us. Hopefully there is someone who will sponsor us so we can send it to my people so that we can proceed to another outreach program for the other barangay. It's more fun. Okay, it's so here we go. We use the government vehicle because we are under government. Organization is under government. And everything you send is digital by name and also we download during our in our page we put your name over there if you want to sponsor one of our soon to be outreach program. Say goodbye to our two PIA presidents because they will be going home now because